Okay, I put the Mougol motherboard x99's all of its glory into the case. That's the GTX 970, 16 gigs of memory inside. Pretty soon I have an upgrade for more memory coming in the mail. It's going to be 32 gigs. Hopefully it works, but yeah, not bad. Got the colorful power supply cords. Got a lot of room in the back for management of the cords. That's the little computer running Linux, but yeah, it looks nice. I like it. I'm not gonna peel off the paper quite yet off the glass. It's real glass. Got the little prongs that actually makes it pop off. So I'm going to probably buy some fans later on sometime for this, but not right now. Oh, this thing's heavy. I'm going to push pause and take a look in the back. Alright, we're in the back. Here's the power supply, Antec 650 watts. And here's all the cords all bunched up in there. You can remove this panel here. Usually it's for SSD, but yeah, I put all the extra cords in there so you can't really see them through here. Nice and tidy, clean fan pointing out this way. It has its own home in the back. See the cords right there, but there's nothing there to anything heats up or anything. There's just this device there, just power supply, the motherboard, back panel. Yep. See how it goes. I'm gonna put the side panels back on and see if it turns on. Alright, thank you much. Alright, it turned on and everything's working. I didn't peel the little thing off yet, but maybe sometime I will. I don't know yet. The GTX 970. Let's see here. OpenGL 13157 and the CPU is 1448. Let's see. Fire up some CPU Z. Memory. Quad channel. Okay. Okay, here we are. Okay, oops. Hold on. Let me see here. Alright. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this little video of what it looks like. A little run here and there. Didn't turn out too bad. Thank you. See you later.